today could be wrong until I find you, and to the stars